Alright, time to deflate the air mattress. This should be easy if I read the instructions right. Should be and are a lot of times two separate things. And by the way, welcome to Kevin's Wild Wacky World. I'm going to be deflating my air mattress. Tried it for the first time last night and it worked well. Well, last couple nights. Whoa! Air comes out fast. Now, if it's like other air mattresses, that's clipped off a little as we're putting it away, of course. You just roll it until the air comes out. Do it slowly so you don't pop anything, of course. I have honestly seen people try to force this hard and pop their mattress. I don't want to do that. I like this air mattress. Just deflating it. Hopefully, both cameras are working and audio is working this time around. This actually deflates easier than I thought it would, which is a good thing. I wonder if those are replaceable. I doubt it, but I got some of the famous Oregon mud on it. Oops. Don't know if you can see the Night Cat logo. Well, their label. Getting as much air out of this as I possibly can. Should make it easier to pack into the bag. Less likely to pop in transit. I have honestly seen people leave them partially inflated and just throw them in places, and then, well, when they're inflated, sharp objects and then don't get along. So, you want as much air out of it as possible. And yes, I like to bring a tarp with me to make stuff like this easier. Doing it inside the tent, you can do it, but it's not as easy. I suspect we're getting there. I see the fold line, so that should make it easier to pack up. So it definitely folds that way. Easy. Fold line. And no, I don't go for perfect. I just go to make it fit back in the bag. Making sure it's as dry as possible. You don't want mildew sitting in. And yes, when I get home, I unwrap everything and dry them out again, even if they're dry from camping. I just don't like the possibility of mold sitting in. There's a little dampness here that I'm wiping off. But when I get home, this is all getting unrolled and put away proper. Actually, sometimes, with like my sleeping bag, I just leave them just out. That way they're less likely to condense down. Fold this up. About the right length. A little bit of air stuck and trapped in there. I don't like that. Start rolling it, I guess, from back here. Do it at the quarter mark. Oh, that's the valve. Okay. That's why the valve closed on me. Oops. Always roll it towards the valve with air mattresses. That would explain why I was having issues. I was rolling it wrong. I think I'm actually making this smaller than it needs to be, which is always a good thing. Unless I didn't fold it far enough, then it's going to be taller. Nope, I did it spot on. Look at that. Brilliantly fit. Gotta love that.